Hi everyone. Today we have raw food, go food, and glow food. So bananas are glow food, shrimps are raw food, eggplants are glow food, chickens are raw food, bread is go food, and rice is for go food.
Okay, very good. Okay, so how can the chicken can give it to your body? What's the,
Chicken makes you strong,
then, how about the banana?
makes you healthy,
Very good. How about the rice? How about the rice?
makes you good.
Makes you good. Okay, so all of this are
Go food, grow food, and glow food.
very good.